Today we're making one pot chicken and rice. Let's go. Here you have an onion, celery, jalapeno, and a green pepper. Put about 2 tablespoons of oil in your pot. Go ahead and put your veggies in once the oil's hot. Get the oil coated on top of the vegetables and then we'll season them up. We're gonna add a little bit of garlic salt and a bit of pepper. While those are cooking, we're gonna season our chicken. The veggies are nice and soft and cooked down. Now we're gonna take these out, put them to the side, and sear our chicken. Sear each side of the chicken to be brown, and then we're gonna take it out. We don't wanna fully cook the chicken. It'll do that in the oven. My chicken is done. It is browned on each side. It is not cooked all the way through. Now we're gonna move on to the rice. I want you guys to see all the brown goodness on the bottom of the pan. That is flavor. Do not get rid of that. We are going to use it. I'm going to use 1 can of chicken broth to lift all of that up off the bottom. Now bring the chicken broth to a bubble. Add 1 packet of Sazon, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 can of cream of mushroom. You remember those vegetables? Add them back in. You're probably wondering what all this looks like because you're nosy, just like me. But basically, this is our soupy stock. This is gonna be for our rice and our chicken. Bring that to a boil. We are at a boil. This is gonna happen fast. We're gonna put our rice in, stir it around, put our chicken in, put it in the oven. Now the reveal. Look at this. We're gonna let this sit for like 10 minutes. The chicken's so tender. Cut, cut, cut.